Number 1.
1983 Ford F100, price $6,000, well-maintained classic pickup with 152,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. This truck comes equipped with new BF Goodrich all-season tires with less than 5,000 miles on them, ensuring reliable traction and road performance. The interior remains in great condition, reflecting careful ownership over the years. 2 months ago, the carburetor was professionally rebuilt by a mechanic, and the driveshaft U-joints have also been replaced, helping keep the drivetrain running smoothly. A new battery has recently been installed as well. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly without slipping or grinding, making it an enjoyable and dependable truck to drive. Additional features include a Bluetooth radio, working heat, a manual choke, and a latching toolbox. Like many classic vehicles of its age, the truck has a minor oil leak and a small power steering fluid leak.
Number 2.
1994 GMC 2500, price $6,800. This truck is presented in very good condition and has been well maintained. The truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It comes with a green exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. The vehicle has had significant mechanical updates, including a rebuilt engine and rebuilt transmission. It also received new brakes, new shocks, and new service components to ensure reliable performance. The air conditioning and heater are both functioning properly, providing comfort in different weather conditions. This truck holds a clean Georgia title and has never been involved in an accident, making it a solid and dependable option for anyone looking for a classic heavy-duty pickup.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $6,900, compact pickup that has been upgraded with a classic V8 setup. It is powered by a 283 small-block Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission, giving the truck strong vintage performance. The truck has received several recent updates, including new rocker panels, fresh paint, a new tonneau cover, aluminum wheels, and new rear tires. The front suspension has also been improved with new A-arms, coilovers, and 2-inch drop spindles, giving it a better stance and handling. It is currently being prepared for the road, though it still needs a wiper motor, rear brake lines, turn signals, and a radio. The truck comes with a clear title.
Number 4.
1988 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000, solid driver quality truck finished in orange with a clean gray interior. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is powered by a built 355/350 engine featuring new cam and lifters with fresh gaskets, along with dart iron heads and a 2800 stall converter. Performance upgrades include a 9-inch rear differential with a spool and 4.11 gears, 4-wheel disc brakes, upper tubular A-arms, and Caltracs in the rear, plus a rear-mounted fuel cell. Recent replacements include the battery, headlight switch, dimmer switch, and new interior gauges. The paint is driver quality, the interior is clean, and the truck runs strong, though the oil pan currently has a small leak after a one-piece gasket was installed.
Number 5.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. It has traveled 113,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. This regular cab short bed truck is finished in a burgundy exterior with a charcoal interior. The truck comes equipped with a factory trailer tow package, cruise control, and power windows and locks, making it comfortable and practical as a daily driver. Inside, it features bucket seats with a center console, an AM/FM stereo, and includes the factory owner's manual. Additional upgrades and accessories include a new tonneau cover, a new rubber box mat, and 2 key fobs. The truck also carries a current license valid through September 2026, adding to its readiness for the road.
Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,150, solid classic full-size pickup with 274,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a gray interior, powered by the dependable 5.7-liter 350 V8 gasoline engine. It comes equipped with power windows and power seats, and all windows function properly. The heater works well, while the AC only needs a recharge. The interior has been very well kept and remains close to mint condition. The body is in very good overall shape, though there is some rust on the cab corners, while the rockers and frame remain solid. The truck recently received a newer engine with about 130,000 miles, along with new intake gaskets, a new driver's side exhaust manifold, donut gaskets, radiator, distributor, plugs, and wires. The transmission was rebuilt in Wisconsin and has only about 5,000 miles since the rebuild. Overall, it is a straight and mechanically refreshed truck.
Number 7.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $6,490, presented as a well-maintained and highly enjoyable compact pickup that remains in excellent condition. This particular example has 117,000 miles on the odometer, is powered by a gasoline engine, and comes equipped with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. The truck features a distinctive orange exterior, paired with a clean interior, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. Known for its reliability, this Ranger has been carefully maintained by its current owner and continues to run and drive very well. It is described as a super fun truck to drive, combining practicality with a classic small pickup feel that many enthusiasts appreciate. The owner also plans to perform some routine maintenance, including installing new tires, ensuring the vehicle remains in great operating condition.
Number 8.
1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,900. This truck is powered by a 7.4-liter 454 big block V8 gasoline engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, a combination well known for durability and strong pulling capability. It has 152,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. The truck features a white exterior with a blue interior. Designed as a true work truck, it runs strong and pulls well, with the dually rear axle providing extra stability under load. Recent maintenance includes a new battery and an oil and air filter change completed in October. Condition-wise, the truck has some body damage and cosmetic wear, a cracked dashboard, non-working AC, and power seats that are currently not functioning. Despite these issues, it remains a solid and capable heavy-duty pickup.
Number 9.
1986 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,500, classic full-size pickup that remains in solid condition and runs very well. This truck features an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. It shows 86,267 miles on the odometer, indicating relatively low mileage for its age. The truck comes with its original long bed configuration, maintaining its classic factory setup, finished in a gray exterior with a black interior. The cabin is reported to be in great shape and has been well preserved. Overall, the truck is described as a pretty solid example that runs strong, making it a dependable and attractive option for anyone looking for a vintage Chevrolet pickup.
Number 10.
1977 Ford F150, price $8,500, equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a silver exterior paired with a red interior, giving it a classic and distinctive vintage look. This particular example is a 4x4 long bed truck that was previously used as a farm truck before being taken in on trade by the current seller. According to the previous owner, the mileage is believed to be accurate. The truck is powered by the factory 351 modified V8 engine, which runs well and starts easily. Overall, the truck is considered fairly solid for its age. There is rust in the bed area above the wheel wells on both sides, as shown in the photos. It was originally equipped with factory air conditioning, although the compressor is currently not functioning.